Let's go! This is me trying new sports every month. At ngayon, ang gagawin naman natin, tatry natin mag-aquathlon. First time natin sasali ng aquathlon. Kasama natin si Kaloy.
3 kilometer run, 1 kilometer swim, 3 kilometer run, 1 kilometer swim, 3 kilometer run.
Run, swim, run, swim, run. Total of
9 kilometer run.
and 2 kilometer swims. Let's go! Road to triathlon. Shirt, tattoo, bib, timing chip, face belt, ketchup, tips, swing cup. Sa lesong kulay nyo. Let's go! So may kasalanan ako kay Kaloy. May number niya baliktad.
Mali yung tattoo mo!
Let's go! Enjoy lang, enjoy lang. First time natin pero let's go!
This is Super Aquathlon All-Stars!
Let's go!
Let's go, Joe!
Let's go!
Go, Joe! Joe! Go, Joe! Woo!
Let's go! Let's go! Tanong ka lang naman, one day. Guys, sa sweet. Yung pasimuno ng lahat na to. Thank you. Tokayo. Oliver.
Next time ulit!
Let's go! Lakas o, champion. Age group. Age group. Let's go! This is me trying new sports every month. So, aquathlon done. Let's go! Solid. Susunod ulit. Kitoy. Wala ka, Kitoy.